Hey guys, this video is going to be about KSL and CTS. How can we use them? First of all, for clarification, KSL and CTS are the same things. KSL is Kernsystem Lehre, which is German version of CTS, core teaching system. Okay, so first of all, go and open your browser, whether it's Safari, Firefox. Copy and paste this link. You can find it in WhatsApp. Enter KSL. It asks for your organization name. Select University of Bern. It asks for your username and password, so I'm gonna enter mine. Once you've entered the site, on your left there is a table. Click List of Courses. Change select criteria from Simple Search to Advanced Search. Choose your faculty. I'm gonna choose Faculty of Medicine. Choose your subject. I'm choosing Biomedical Engineering. And lastly, choose your semester. I don't know what will you do if you're gonna study for a year, but for a semester we're gonna choose for a herb semester 2019. Then click Select Course. Okay, so here are our courses. You can see the language of the course, the time and date of the course, lecturer, the title, subject. If you want to, for example, this course, if you want to add this course, just click Add to your planning view. It says that the course has been added to your planning view. You will be notified when the registration period starts. Okay, to register for the course, again go to that table, choose planning view and click on it. This is your planning view. So there are some courses, as you see. I've already applied some of them. Where is your course? This one. Okay. So click that triangle and click sign in and off. Once you've clicked sign in and off, you're gonna see the page of that course that you want to add. Innovation Management. Okay, go down. Here, you can see the registration details of the course, period of the registration, so we can register it right now. Request for a place says that your request for a place to the course has been accepted. Please note that you need to register separately for the assessment. Okay, so we go down. It says that registered the course provisionally. Your current position on the list is 17 of 60 available. So this means that we are not definitely registered for the course, but we are waiting for the approval. And our place is 17, and 60 people maximum can choose this. So if you want to sign off this course, just click here. If you want to register for the exam, click register. Okay, so you've already registered the course. So if you want to again sign off for the examination, just click sign off. Yes, we want to sign off. Okay, so once you've registered the course and examination, click back to the planning view. So we went back to our planning view. Once you definitely register the course, the course color will change purple to the shades of yellow, and this is the code. The purple one, as you can see, is open to registration. Once you've approved, then it will be CP, which will be registered course provisionally. And once you've definitely registered the course, it will be turning to the dark yellow. So this is basically how you can use the KSL or CTS. If you have further questions, you can ask, but I don't know actually how to use it. So please like this video, leave comment and subscribe.